Valentine's Day, celebrated on February 14th, is a day dedicated to love and affection between intimate companions. The day is named after Saint Valentine, a Christian martyr from the Roman era, but has since evolved into a secular celebration of romantic love observed by people of various cultural backgrounds around the world. The origins of Valentine's Day are not entirely clear, with various legends attributing the day to the remembrance of Saint Valentine's death or burial. It became associated with romantic love in the High Middle Ages when the tradition of courtly love flourished, with lovers expressing their feelings through the giving of gifts and written valentines. Today, it is customary for partners and admirers to exchange gifts such as flowers, chocolates, and cards as tokens of affection. Many also celebrate the day by spending time together, enjoying romantic dinners, or sending messages of love to friends and family. The essence of Valentine's Day is a celebration of love in its many forms, whether between romantic partners, friends, or family members. It is a day for expressing affection and appreciation for the people in our lives. One key aspect of Valentine's Day is its universal appeal. It transcends religious and cultural boundaries, becoming a global expression of love. Professionally, Valentine's Day can be seen as an opportunity for businesses, particularly in the retail and hospitality industries, to engage with customers by offering special promotions and events. It also provides a chance for creative expressions and storytelling around the theme of love and relationships. Emerging trends on Valentine's Day include the growing popularity of Galentine's Day, celebrated on February 13th, where women celebrate their female friendships, and the use of technology for virtual Valentine's Day experiences, especially relevant for long-distance relationships. Reflective questions to consider. How does the celebration of Valentine's Day impact our understanding and expression of love in contemporary society? What does the evolution of Valentine's Day tell us about the changing dynamics of relationships and societal norms? In what ways can Valentine's Day be made more inclusive for all forms of love and all individuals, regardless of their relationship status? Valentine's Day shares similarities with other global celebrations of love and affection, such as the Chinese Kixi Festival or the Brazilian Dia dos Namorados. Each of these days provides cultural insights into how love is celebrated around the world. Communities can engage with Valentine's Day by organizing events that celebrate love in all its forms, including self-love and community love, and by promoting acts of kindness and appreciation beyond romantic relationships. In conclusion, Valentine's Day stands as a testament to the enduring importance of love and the joy of expressing it. It's a day that encourages us to reach out, connect, and recognize the value of our relationships. The big takeaway: Valentine's Day is a celebration that reminds us of the power of love to bring joy and meaning to our lives, encouraging us to express our affections and cherish the bonds we share with others. This content is part of the Diversity Calendar Kit offered by Diversity for Social Impact, copyrighted by Diversity for Social Impact.